how to have Ableton Link always being activated when you're opening up your Ableton Live set. So Ableton Link is great for linking to different apps or computers over the network, and the disadvantage here is sometimes that maybe if you're going to a gig and you're opening up your Ableton Live set, so if we just reopen that one here, you can see Link is being deactivated on startup when you load an Ableton Live set. So I created a Max for Live device, and as soon as I turn that on, you can see Link will be activated. So now if I open the Ableton Live set, check, you can see Link will be turned on automatically. So this is a Max for Live device. Max for Live is included in Ableton Live Suite or can be bought as an add-on towards Ableton Live Standard. And you can get this Max for Live device as part of a collection. Just follow the link in the video description below, and make sure that when you turn up at a gig or just being really crazy busy when you're setting up, that little things like this are being automated and the way you need them to hit play and to perform.